Okay, why is this important? Okay, John Lamb posted Bushman's comment. I think Bushman was a councilman. Bushman posts this on his Facebook page, and John Lamb is bringing up Bushman's Facebook page post 18 hours ago. So this is what he's asking. Was this what Dan Love and his heavy armed goons had in mind when they came with AR-15s? Dan Love and his army, the FBI and their snipers, were not there to impound cowboys but to kill people. Okay, so that's a statement. He's asking a question and then he's giving you a statement. Dan Love and his army, the FBI and their snipers, were not there to impound cows but to kill people. Okay? Okay, so the last video I put out, I told you that there's some information that has come to light that people are not privy to, but documents have been provided to the defense. Okay? And it's related to this right here. Dan Love and his army. The FBI and their snipers were not there to impound cattle, but to kill people. There has been documents that have been given to the defense to prove this statement that John is making. And it's very concerning because it is a list of people. Okay, so if things went wrong, they couldn't impound the cattle, and things went wrong, there was a list of individuals that was written by Daniel P. Love that were to be targeted to be killed. This is why the BLM, the FBI, and the fact that they had snipers. It was not about the impoundment of cattle, but to kill people. And there is a list of people that was created by Daniel P. Love of who to take out in the incident. So this is why the BLM did not back down. This is why the shredding of documents, the missing laptops, all of this kind of stuff everything's just been disappeared or shredded. It's part of protocol to shred all these documents, blah, 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 blah. Well, so we've got a couple of whistleblowers within the Department of Justice who has gotten a hold of some of the documents. And lo and behold, there's a list from Daniel P. Love, a list of names, 100 people that were to be targeted to be killed. 100 people. Okay? This information, this list, has been given to Judge Gloria Navarro. Okay? The names have been redacted on the list. Nobody knows if their name was on it or not. But the information does show, the list does show it's about 100 people that were supposed to be killed. There's other documentation that was also given to the defense that the judge has seen. And so this is why I say, guys, it doesn't make any sense at this point why the judge has not dismissed all the charges and set these men free, why they're still wearing ankle bracelets. There is no reason that these men should have restrictions on their freedom or that the government should still be surveilling them or tracking them through these ankle bracelets. It's unacceptable. I believe it's illegal, and I believe it's dangerous for these men at this point for the federal government to know where they're at all times by tracking them with these ankle bracelets. My opinion on the matter is at this point, we can't wait for a week. Those ankle bracelets need to be removed. The government needs to get the hell out of town. Okay? There is no reason that this case should be continuing, why the judge has not already dismissed everything. There is no reason to give the prosecution time to answer these motions that were filed by the defense. Okay? That's bullshit. Okay, it is what it is. The lists are what they are. The documents say what they say. For the judge giving the prosecution time to file motions related to this is unacceptable. Okay, this should have ended everything. everything. There are no more discussions that need to be had in secret. These men need to be set free. And I'm telling you, there needs to be some major arrests. And these people need to be removed from office. The lawyers involved in this all need to be sanctioned and disbarred. There is no reason for them to practice law after it has been proven by their own government documents that they plotted, that they conspired to kill American citizens because they happen to own or be a supporter of the owner of property, water rights, and forage rights here in Clark County. It's completely unacceptable. Okay? There is no reason for Judge Gloria Navarro to even be sitting on the bench anymore. Okay? Steve Myrie, his prosecution team, you know, you need to lock the door on that prosecution office and shut the shit down. Okay? Because they were out there, that members of the prosecuting team were out there at the Bundy Ranch in 2014. They had knowledge to this information. Okay? People within the Department of Justice, Daniel P. Love making this list of people that he was supposed to take out. Oh my gosh. This man needs to be thrown in jail for the rest of his life. This is conspiracy. This is why the government's charged the Bundys with conspiracy, because they're guilty of conspiracy. They are the ones that have interfered with the judicial process. They are the ones that conspired. They are the ones that brandished firearms. They are the ones that threatened and intimidated and even planned to kill people. They are the ones guilty of all of these charges that have been brought against these men that were out at Bundy Ranch. And I say, there is no reason for charges to still be levied against anyone. And if this does not overturn the guilty verdicts of the men that were found guilty, I don't know what will. I just don't know. At this point, an emergency motion is waiting to be filed with the Ninth Circuit Court. They're waiting on Judge Gloria Navarro's ruling. And if she doesn't rule in the right way, there's going to be an emergency appeal filed with the Ninth Circuit Court. It is what it is. It's unacceptable, guys. So I'll bring you further information as I have it. I'm still getting information. I still want to see the documents. I don't know if I'm ever going to get them. But something's going on. Somebody knows something, because there's videos on my there's a video, 2 videos, one of Eric Parker's interview, and the one that I made about Tom Collins a month ago. Those are gone. This one right here. This video that I made, and the video is gone from my computer, which I think I probably deleted it because it had already been posted to Facebook, which I remember posting it to Facebook along with Eric Parker's interview. So I'm going to go through and do some more investigation on the matter and pull up that information again. I can make another video to link together this information, because there's also a city council meeting out there in which Tom Collins, begins to talk about how he had visited Cliven Bundy. He's talked to him, he's all about freedom. He's all about the First Amendment, blah, 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 and it was just total crap, guys. Kind of backstepping or trying to justify what he said or did. And this guy is known for the crude words and the indifferent and being indifferent towards the people of Clark County. He was a part of a deal. I think it was a firing range or something like that. And the neighbors of the firing range were not happy about the noise and all of this kind of stuff. And Tom Collins comes back and says, if you don't like it, move. I mean, there's just a blatant indifference of the people's rights, So, and here again, people don't have a right to life. He's telling you, you're a bunch of inbreeding bastards, and if you come here, you better have funeral plans. If that right there doesn't show his indifference to the people's right to life, liberty, and the pursuit of happiness, I don't know. But his statement, the statement that Bushman wrote, now I begin to question, what did this commissioner know? Why is he coming out and saying they all better have funeral plans? What did he know? Did he know about this list? Did he know about the talks to kill family members and supporters of the Bundys? Did he know this at the time? And if he knew and did not reveal it, doesn't that make him complicit in the conspiracy? All right, guys, I'll keep investigating. I'll bring you more information. I'll talk to you later.